from the skies in 47, stealing dreams beneath the northern heaven. From Saab 92 to the turbo age, they carved the name on history's page. Innovate and burn where others stalled, a voice of freedom softly called. But time moves on, the giants fall, still I hear that engine's call. I see no other road, no other way. My heart could go through all the years, through rise and fade. I drive the dream they once made. My friends moved on, their faith long sold, but I'm still here on this road of Saab and soul. From two-stroke hum to turbo fire, each design born from desire. From rally storms to factory night, they built with heart, they built with sight. But the suits in silence close the door, still we drive what they made before. In every curve the spirit breathes, in every key a promise leaves. I see no other road, no other flag my soul could hold through winter snow and summer's glow. I move my mind where Saab still go. The world forgot, the story told, but I'm still here on this road of Saab and soul. When the factory fell to quiet ground, 10,000 dreams were left around. But in the hum of night I find the heart of Saab still moves my mind. And when I drive I'm not alone, the past still guides me home. I see no other road, no other way the wind could blow. From the first 92 to the final line, their spirit runs through all of time. My friends are gone, their story's cold, but I'm still here on this road of Saab and soul.